Today's star of the shave is HC&C Ride 'em Cowboy. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, I'm Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today, we're doing the Razor Company Shave-In Chat. And today, the star of the shave is HC&C Ride 'em Cowboy. I'm also using a Design 94 AL Red Razor with a Tatara blade. My beautiful bougie sprayer. I'm using a I'm using a Proraso Boar brush, and of course, my beautiful TRC lather ball. Wow. I've been in this shave thing of ours for since the beginning of January 1st, 2023, and this is my first HC&C soap. HC&C, by the way, stands for Hendrix Classic and Company. Just want to let you know. And wow, this got the thumbs up by all the ladies in my family. They say, when the women in my family like something, you know what they say? It smells like a clean, strong man that any woman would go for. And when I hear that, that's the thumbs up. When they don't like something, they say, oh my God, are you trying to repel people? Are you trying to be ostracized and put in the corner? Then I know, okay, I'm not going to wear it. And I don't want to admit, but a lot of times they're correct. Their scent profile is more, how can I say, mature and formed than mine. I guess because, they're used to all these perfumes and soaps and all that. But yeah, this really smells clean. Oh, sorry. I had to burp. Wow. So how's everyone doing? I'm doing good. Still waiting for some answers about help I need. I kept calling so many places. They say, we'll get back to you when we get back to you. I think that's code for you're bothering us too much. But yeah, my mom loved the smell. A couple of my cousins loved the smell. I was in the elevator. I didn't use it, but I was smelling it. Oh, funny story. I'm in the elevator, and I get my package. And I open it up a little just to smell it before I did the actual unopening. A little sneak peek. And I'm huffing the soap tube. And usually people look at me weird. They're like, what you doing? I'm like, I'm smelling some shave soap. What do you mean shave soap? Don't you get it in a can? See, a lot of people think shaving is just with a can, the cream or the gel. I'm like, no. I'm into traditional wet shaving. And my neighbor asked, what's that? I'm like, well, I get a DE razor or SE. I keep forgetting. I have to say the full tone. Double edge razor. So she's like, oh, I just use a Gillette Mach something. And I'm like, no. This is way before the Gillettes and, not the Gillette, because Gillette was in the 1930s, but before the disposable razor. And she's like, but I don't see any ingrown hair or any irritation. I'm like, no, because it's just one blade. So I'm giving them the story about traditional wet shaving, and they're like, wow, that's cool. But I'll just stick with the can and okay, you're missing out on something. So I'm trying to make more in-person friends. I have this beautiful wet shaving family, and a lot of it's online. And I hadn't been to my mental health group in a while because, I don't want to just go there and just hang out. I want to do things to improve my life. So I figured, give it a break. My therapist said, oh, you gotta go, be consistent, go there, show your face there so people know who you are. I'm like, I'm over that. I have an online, I'm thinking, I have a group I'm in, it's called Socially Awkward from Awkward to Awesome. That's one of the socially awkward groups I'm in, Meetup. A lot of times we meet online on Zoom. I don't know if I should go. Should I go today or not? How can I hear your response? But in the spirit, I'm hearing people saying, Jason, go. You never know what you're going to miss out on. That's true. So yeah, things have stalled for me in my quest to improve myself, and I'm kind of feeling blah, like that. Okay. People will get the point when you say after one or two blah. After that, people are going to say, okay, this guy's like, ugh. Oh my god, this does smell like clean. I don't know the scent notes. I just like the way things smell. I'm not into the science of it. Oh. It's a nice lather. Nice slickness. So yeah, that's what I'm going through today. I just want to do something with my life. Be a positive influence. Be productive. And doing this without compromising who I am. What's your thought? I need advice. I'm open for advice. Thank you. Let me do this final pass. Ooh. Oh man, this like I can't get the word out clean and strong. Thank you, female relatives in my house and in my family. You want to know something funny? When I first started traditional wet shaving, I was like really rigid. I'm just gonna like twist to open butterfly adjustable razors. And you know that's a joke. I fell down the rabbit hole in so many holes, it's not funny. The gems, the artisan clubs, the injector, oh my god. I even gravitated toward this scent. Oh, excuse me. Let me rinse off. I can put on this beautiful splash. Oh, I needed to shave. I've been quiet. Not reaching out. You know, taking a time out. Sometimes in life you need to step back and keep quiet so you can recharge yourself, or look back on what happens and think things over. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, let's try the splash. Whoosh! Ha-ba-ba! I should have opened it before. Beautiful. Ooh, I'm being generous. No cheapskate here. Wow, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Let me go over my lineup. I used the Design AL94 red razor. I used a beautiful Proraso Boar brush with my beautiful TRC lather ball. I used my bougie sprayer. Oh, the blade again was the Tatara blade. And of course, the star of the shave is HC&C Ride Cowboy. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern time zone, go on Instagram on Saturday. Go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live and watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving with a great audience. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And thank you again for letting me vent out a little bit. And you are special. Never forget that. And have a great life.